Hi there, Hare here with another Wild Hare unboxing. So this is for the month of February, and I'm working with a deluxe kit this month. So I'm going to read you what I wrote before we start this. So I said, I've been on a mini album kick lately, so I've been using a lot of 6x6 paper. I love a bit of vellum or acetate mixed in and lots of texture and dimension. I'm inspired a lot by Paige Evans' mini albums. I love using fun, bright colors and definitely trendy collections. So that's what I said in my style profile. And then the note from Allison says, "Hi Kira, this month I focused on the trendy, fun motifs in the Wild Child Boy collection. Since you mentioned being into 6x6 papers, I sent you a whole pad to play with. I think the bright, crisp colors will be perfect to highlight photos of your little and big boys. I made sure to send many different textures, including super fun felt flowers from Jelly Bean Soup. I can't wait to see how you use those. Enjoy, Allison." So let's jump right in and see what I got. So the first thing right here, I'm just gonna go down, I guess, is the Pink Fresh Studio leatherette stickers from the mix #1. I am obsessed with the Pink Fresh Studio leatherette stickers. I think they're such a fun texture and they're just so different from just regular stickers. I just love them. So I'm really excited to see these. And I love these bright colors are included in here. I think these are gonna be really fun to work with. These are the felt flowers that Allison mentioned. Okay, can you give me 1 second? Can you go sit down?
Go sit down.
Thanks, buddy. Be right back. All right, so these are the felt flowers that Allison had mentioned, and these are so cute. Super dimensional. See how dimensional they are. Really fun colors. I mean, they're basically my favorite colors. They are my favorite colors. Navy blue, magenta, teal, and gray. Those are my favorite colors. So these are perfect. I love them. And they'll be perfect to use in a mini album because I'm making them nice and chunky, and I'm gonna love that. Super fun. Okay, set those over there. Got in here, not just baker's twine, so there's baker's twine in orange, which is great because I do not have orange, so that's always fun to get a color I don't have. Some twine, so it's like a really thin, like jute twine, which will be great to use. And then this like navy blue jute, which again is awesome. So I love that. I love the textures of those. I think those will be great to use too. Also, because I'm doing mini album, I'm gonna save these little glassine bags because these are always really fun to add in with my kits or in with my mini albums too. So I'll have 2 glassine bags to add. This one, let's not rip it all up. Oh geez. This one we've got some flair. So a little paper airplane, yellow background. A little chevron pattern, this time orange star, and a little heart. It says photo. So those are super cute. Definitely make good use of those. Some acrylic pieces from Color Cast Design. I've talked about Color Cast Design before. I think that she makes awesome products, and I really love including them on my projects. So, again, these are just days of the week, which I got some days of the week before in a kit, and they were so fun to use. And I think these will be great for little mini albums for my kids. I love those. Got some Jelly Bean Soup labels, and they're just like sticker labels, I guess. Well, they're just sticker. I'm gonna say sticker more, they're just words, little phrases, so those will be fun to use, and I love these bright colors, which, finally getting down to the paper, so if you guys have not seen the Wild Child collection, Pink Paisley came out with 2 collections, well, 1 collection, Wild Child, but there's like the boy, I mean, it's not technically boy, it's just, you know, it's the more boy version, but you could definitely use this for little girls too. but then there's like a more girly version, which is pinks and stuff like that. So this is really fun. This would be fun to use with my kids, mostly because my kids, like, I have tried to push the whole like, oh, play with baby dolls thing on them, and they are so not interested. But like all their clothes that they own, like they're very gender specific. Like toddler clothes are very gender specific, so they're all like blues and oranges and greens, and you know, there's not a whole lot of pink toddler boy clothes. So so when I take pictures of them, it's really hard to use a really pinky kind of collections, because their clothes clash so much with those collections. So this collection is perfect because it's got all these fun bright colors that will not clash with my children's clothes. So I'll just do a quick flip through of this. It's really fun. It's got like some space themes, and these little phrases are cute. Heck yes. Jonathan's really into saying what the heck right now. He says that all the time. You know, whoa, bang. Little fun phrases. Bugs, which is always fun. We're always obsessed with bugs and looking for bugs. Skateboards, which is a little older than my kids are at right now. But yeah, and then it just kind of repeats. I think it repeats 3 times. So I think I have 3 sheets of every paper in here. So that's fun. So that will be a great paper to use. Also from the same collection are these stickers. And I'm not a big like alpha sticker fan, because I don't usually like write out my titles like that for pages. I typically either use word like phrases, like thicker phrases like this, or you guys know that I use my Cricut a lot and just cut out a title. So I much rather prefer getting the thickers like this over getting a set of alphas. And Allison knows that because I've mentioned that before in style profiles. So that's kind of the good thing about, like, if you start getting more of these wild hair kits, she starts knowing more of what you actually want and what you are more drawn towards. So I don't have to keep saying every time, don't include alphas, because she knows that I would prefer phrases over alphas. So that's really nice. Okay, and so the last 2 things in my kit is these papers here. So this first one is from the Cool Kid collection, and this is a plus sign piece of vellum, which I love. I'm obsessed with plus signs anyways. And then I also, like I said in my style profile, I really like including vellum in with my mini albums, so this is great. And then, because I also said vellum and acetate, I got this piece of acetate, which has these cool black stars all over it, which I'm obsessing over. So this is really neat, and I'm really happy to have this and really excited to use it in a mini album. So that's my kit, you guys. I'm really excited to show you what I have planned for this and what mini albums I come up with. And I can't wait to share, and I'll hopefully have some process videos and flip throughs and all sorts of fun things for you guys to see. So stay tuned, and I will be back later. Have a good day. Bye.